What if missing teeth were no longer standing between you and the life you love? Imagine eating whatever you want at Sunday dinner. No more covering your mouth when you laugh. No more sitting out of photos. Just you, present, confident, and fully enjoying every moment with the people you love most. Also, think about the last time you sat around a table with your grandkids, laughing so hard your cheeks hurt. For a lot of people, those moments quietly slipped away. Not because of age, but because of their teeth. I'm Dr. Broza at Coastal Dental Arts Implant Center in Peabody, Massachusetts. We've helped patients transform their smiles and their lives with full arch implants that gives you back a full, beautiful smile that looks natural, feels natural, and works just like your own teeth. And we'd love to do the same for you.